Hello.
What's up, A-Y Family Channel? We is back. Mm, been too long.
Been a long time.
Yeah.
But today we're gonna be eating Burger King. We both have double waffle with cheese, onion rings, sweet tea
Yeah.
with the zesty sauce.
Zesty sauce.
Yes, and if you have not tried it yet, you're missing out.
Yeah. Big time.
I mean, it's real spicy. I mean, it really burning my tongue, but it's not too bad. But it's good. It's real good.
Mm-hmm.
But to tell you that I
The reason why we been gone.
yeah.
We moving. We still is. It been,
It's been taking some time, so
you know.
we had to buy a barn, which it took probably about 2-3 months before we figure out which was the best.
Yep. And I've been celebrating my birthday. You know.
I celebrated mine too,
Yeah. It's been.
but we've been missing y'all,
Yeah. We've been like stressed out, but like tired.
and
Stuff like that.
so we finally finished taking the stuff out of our house and putting it in our barn.
Mm-hmm.
So
That been a longer process with the barn and stuff.
mm,
Trying to find a white barn to put our stuff in.
mm-hmm.
So that took a toll on us.
Going to different, not just selling with one place.
Yeah.
Just going to different places that sell barns. We could have put it in a storage, but
We didn't want to do that.
no. I mean, we have land, so we decided, well, it's best to just get a barn and put on our land, so we won't have to go way 10, 12 miles to get what we need,
Yeah.
you know. And I feel like for the amount of stuff, because we wind up buying 10 by 20.
She was about to get like 16 by 16. But we went
It
to
was
a
cute.
See, that's the only reason why. She got it because it was cute. I was like, Mom, we do not need that. It's cute, yeah, but we need the space. I was looking at the space and how much stuff put in it.
Two heads better than one.
Yeah.
But the one we have now, it's nice. It's really nice, and we had to hire some people to help us at first.
Mm-hmm.
So they did, help us like halfway. So we picked up the kind of light stuff. Some of the stuff was still a little heavy, because I had like other materials and wood, lumber and stuff too that needed to go in the barn. I didn't want that to go to waste. So one day we're gonna show that to you.
Yeah.
Because it was a wait. It was a wait. And everybody's saying, which everybody gonna say their barn is the best. Their barn is the best. I don't know. Only thing I know, we got a barn.
Yeah. Then we had to do some research too and stuff like that.
And here's my double waffle. I love it, the lettuce and stuff in it. And the tomatoes. See? And one thing, they didn't give us any straws. But luckily, we do food delivery now, so we do have we do keep straws. So that's why we drinking our tea right now, because we have straws in the car.
Hold up. Say that again.
Straws. Straws.
I didn't know that's how you say straw. Everybody says straws differently
Let me tell you them. Burger King tea is good.
But McDonald's tea is better. It's always better.
And KFC, they got some good tea too. Yeah, leave them out. So we hoping to come back to y'all and
Soon as possible.
Yeah.
I miss making videos for
us cracking up.
Exactly.
And like I said, we miss y'all, and we hoping to
Make more videos.
yeah. We still have a few more little things to get,
Yeah,
but
we got more videos.
well, once it get built.
Yeah.
But at least we got all the stuff out. And to the ones that new to our channel, welcome.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
But we're gonna be coming up with some more videos.
Yeah.
I mean, we always talk about it. We should have been doing more of these eating ones, cause look at us, we love to eat. We love to eat out too. And
But also,
we've been working on some things, and by the time we think about, we ought to be recording this,
right, but we don't be recording.
we've been down trying to figure out different stuff. Okay, trying different recipes and stuff, and we have seen a few of them. We just tweak it a little bit, but some of them don't come out the way we would like it to, because you know everybody wants to eat something that tastes good. No need to sit here and lie to you like it's so good, like the homemade cake. And my daughter, she did try a couple of them. She did for my birthday. She made a strawberry cake for me, homemade.
Right, yeah, I made a cake. And it was like a Valentine's. And it was cute. It was cute. I did the design. It was cute.
I think we have a picture of it too.
Yeah, if I can pull it up.
I want y'all to interact with us, talk to us, let us know how your day going, what your plans are, you know, how y'all been doing. We'd love to hear from y'all. We out here by the water. Excuse me, some people out there fishing. I wanted to go out there, but it's kind of sunny out that way, and my daughter, I don't know, she got this kind of skin allergy. I have no idea, but she does take allergy medicine, but she can't stay in the sun long. When the sun rays really start hitting her, she'll break out, just start itching like crazy.
I got bad allergies.
Man. And every time we go to the doctor, I forget to ask them to send her back to her specialist, you know, to take more tests. But I will next time. I promise that.
Yeah, so sometimes I can't even breathe at night.
Speak up a little loud, Jay. I can't hear you.
Oh, my bad.
I can barely hear. Can y'all hear her?
My bad. I talk little. I can't help it.
But I'm telling you though, this zesty sauce with the onion rings, I've been trying to find some in the store, some sauce. I asked some people for a large. Would that look like a large for you? Mm-mm. So, we love y'all, miss y'all, and we will be seeing y'all again, okay? Real soon.
Hey, if y'all want us to try anything like new food or something like this, let us know. We don't mind trying it out. And then wait,
Not at all.
no.
Until next time, y'all. Take care, okay?
Bye. Oh, no, this is